Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn about Angular 6. So this is our first tutorial on Angular app. So let's see how to install Node and how to start with Angular app. So first go to Node.js website and download the LTS and stable version of the Node and then install NPM package. So for this you have to write npm install in your command prompt. Just go to your command prompt and type install. It will install the Node package manager in your system. Already installed Node and npm. Let's check the version. See, I have installed 8.11.3 and for npm I have 5.6.0. and after that go to Angular website and just type this command in your cmd. This will install Angular CLI globally in your system. So I have already installed, so type ng version. So I have Angular CLI already installed and I am working on a version 6. So this is our complete setup for installing the Angular and Angular CLI and Node package manager. So now let's start working on our first project. So just type open cmd and type ng new and project name, so demo1, and it will create new project. So here it is, our Angular project is created. Let's open it. So I use VS Code editor for Angular 6. So let's open it. So type code space dot for opening this project. Oh sorry, let's go to this directory, demo1. Demo1 is name of the project. So here we can see it has created the folder demo1. Here is our project files. So we have to go inside this directory and then type code space dot, then click enter. It will open our project in VS Code. See, so after this we need to start our project in the browser. So for that type ng serve -o. This will open our project in browser. See, this is our first project. Welcome to app. Let's go to its code. Here are the files which are open in VS Code. Just go to this source file, then go to app folder. Now go to this app.component.html folder file, sorry. Now see, here is written welcome to, then this is interpolation. So welcome to, then app. I will tell you everything. This is working. For now, this is our first app and we have started. It is serving in localhost 4200. This is default port. We can change it. We can change it before serving the project. So thank you for watching.